a circuit from a Merry Christmas ambient light made with 3 transistors, but you can omit one when you want it. I hope it's visible from this distance in its complete schematic. Here you can see the circuit. I pan over somewhat, and what the circuit does is that 2 LEDs, light emitting diodes, are switched on and off, but very slowly. And you can see that here. Here what happens. The green LED now is on, the other LED is off, and I've used for the other LED this unit with white LEDs, and here's the green one, so perhaps this is better, this shows better what happens. So the circuit is very simple. The time during which the LEDs burn or get out is set by the value from these capacitors, this capacitor and that capacitor. They are a kind of bipolar capacitor made to solder 2 electrolytics together. So we may divide the value. So this is, for instance, 7 microfarad non-polar, and this also 7 microfarad. And when you go to 47 microfarad here, both capacitors here and both capacitors here, the whole process will go very slowly. This process of on and off, slowly on and slowly off. And furthermore, the circuit is very simple. You can of course use it for other applications, and adapt this resistor Rx here and that resistor to the amount of parallel LEDs that you want to use. I found, for instance, that when I used 24 white LEDs, I needed a resistor of 10 ohms and 5 watt, because that resistor gets hot, and that's here at the moment. It gets a little bit hot on higher currents, and the current that can flow here is maximum, say, 300 milliampere or 400 milliampere due to the power transistors here, this one and that one. But when you only want to use one LED, you can replace the BD140 and the BD139 by a BC557, that's the PNP, and a BC547, that's the NPN. So here a BC547 when you use it with only one LED, and here a BC557 with one LED. So Merry Christmas!